going in.
Whoa!
Well, hey there, buddy. Press me, bro.
Don't kick him. He's a very good person.
He's a very good boy. All right, now go give me a drink.
Open boy! You feel like a good boy.
Dude, stop hitting me.
Boy.
Bro, stop.
Yeah, you're getting recorded in damn brother.
Why?
Look at Tico,
Yo, do you want a birthday present?
Come here!
Do you want?
Oh.
Ooh.
No, that's crazy!
Cutie pie. Okay, let's go here. Let's go here. Alright. Yo, now that we can make up our master plan. Our master plan is I never was on a team with you, bud. So we can team on these kids? I got you, I'll res you. I'll res you, bro. No, you're not. Yo!
No, I'm not taking anyone out.
That's not nice.
Yep, you're getting there. Hey, I'm taking you too.
No, why me? Why me?
I was just kidding, bro. Where's me? I fucked. My shotgun. My shotgun.
You!
What the heck crashed out?
Are you a little boo-boo?
He shrunk, he shrunk, he shrunk, he shrunk.
So stupid.
He shrunk.
I am gonna murder you.
He's dead.
Being bomb.
Oh, Mr. No! What the? No! No!
Freaking skibbity.
Get him!
Oh, mosquito.
I always come back!
Yo,
Wait.
get.
Damn!
Yo, damn.
How am I?
Get him now! Get him! Jump him!
Tripa, tropa, tripa,
What
tropa.
the flipper? Oh no! He's back! That can't kill him.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
Whoa.
Why? Why? What? Pop, no, you said Tripa, tropa, tropa, tripa, tropa, tripa, get tropa.
Whoa. How?
Tripa, tropa, you gonna die, da bitty, bitty, bop.
Let's go, Rizzlers.
Kill that monkey.
No, just kidding, bro! I have nothing!
Yeah, you're going.
Sign, respawn. I need your shotgun.
Nah, you got a problem?
Chill!
Nah, bro, don't even mess with me. No, I can't. Bro, no.
Actually, alright, you're getting kicked.
He said you want to kick me. You said you want to kick me. You said you want to kick me.
Can you please kick him?
You wanna kick him? What do you do, bro?
Bro, what did I
he's
do?
being
Yeah, what do you do, bro? He's
How am I being? I'm just killing people.
I'm not
just killing
kicking you. I'm
people.
kicking that guy for being such an annoying.
Oh.
I won't kill you.
I'm gonna come back. I'm gonna come back.
How am I so bad?
This. Joe, Polo Bell. Polo Bell, no! Polo Bell!
These war codes make you broke, bro.
Don't understand what's going on here.
Oh my god!
Finally.
I only hit you!
Gamer get scammed. Gamer get scammed. I'm not gonna
You should take this.
watch. I'm just gonna kill you when you go spawn.
You can't save him now.
That is zero damage, you bumhole.
Kill him! Kill him!
Por favor, get back here, keep on me, man. Whatever that means. Oh, yeah.
Hey, just grenade him! Just grenade him, bro!
Fucking bad.
Gray host, can you team with me and my friend?
Moonblock.
Come down here. No!
I'm down here, one and only! I have
And I'll kill you once.
I always come back.
Whoop. Oh.
I went
Hurry up.
Let's get
W Zion.
There's a
Oh my gosh. I'm a
Good, so that was on the game.
Wait a minute. That's not gonna be nice.
team. Want to team with your LeBron James method?
Wait! Oh,
Ooh, rocket. Post. Don't kill me. Don't kill me. Remember?
Yeah.
with Macload.
Bro.
Yeah.
Bro.
He kept on calling me a P-word. No, it's just look. He said, come and find me like. No. He said,
I
come
have
and
it all
find
on
me
video
like
if you
a
want
real
proof.
man.
I have everything
When
on
I
video if you
said-
want proof.
Today. Slime.
Behind you!
Hi.
I want bullet.
Please.
The old days.
You! No, I wasn't black. I'm not black. I'm just kidding.
Save me.
I still come. Oh my.
Hi. Can I tell you something?
No. What is this? What is this?
Imagine going to
Anyways, thank you guys for watching, bro. Bye.